Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 47. Sanjay said, having thus spoken in the midst of the battlefield, Arjuna sat down on the seat of the chariot, casting away his bow and arrow, with a mind distressed with sorrow.
Chapter 1, Shloka 47. Sanjaya uvacha eva muktvarjuna sanke ratopastaupavishat vishujya sasharam chapam shoga samvigna manasakha Om tassat iti Srimad Bhagwat Geeta Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayah Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
This is the last shloka of this chapter 1, shloka number 47. And we hear the words of Sanjay. Sanjay is reporting to Dhritarashtra. So Sanjay says, whatever we have heard so far from Arjuna, after having spoken these words in the midst of the battle, he sat down on the seat of the chariot and he dropped his bow and arrow and was feeling very sorrowful and miserable. Now, this is the last scene with which we leave first chapter, and this last scene which we have is the result of the anxiety state neurosis which we described in the previous shloka number 46. Now, the Gita, what are the methods of handling this anxiety state neurosis, how to get out of it, is the subject matter of the remaining chapters of the Gita, which we will be taking up next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.